My name is Ana Pyle.
I'm Ethan Bach.
Hi, my name is Andres Jimenez.
Khalil Braidik.
Isabel Herrera.
And I'm interning at Crossroads Bank.
At Wabash MPI.
MPS Egg Farms.
Intertech Products.
Paperworks Industries.
So I actually got an email from the Career Center at my school. Hey, there's an internship in Wabash, Indiana. You get to stay in an RV. And I reached out to my career counselor and I was like, I want this internship.
I didn't know 100% sure what exactly I was going to do with an applied math major and computer science minor. So this summer was a great opportunity to do data analytics, get some real world experience and see where that would lead.
I came here thinking that, what could be my experience, because I didn't know the place, I didn't know the people. But after coming here, I felt very inclusive, welcoming from each and everyone.
Everyone is just so welcoming, like you can talk to anyone. There's specifically like restaurants or whatever, they're so wanting to talk to you.
You actually have a lot of things to do. There are a lot of activities, a lot of things to do.
All the events that we've been participating in, or all the events that we've been part of.
For as small of a town it is, there's a lot to do, a lot more than you would think.
A lot of hidden gems around here.
I think Wabash, or just like any other like similar sized community, there's this tight net of a community aspect of like people really know everyone.
For example, going to the YMCA the first time, and I didn't really know how I was supposed to sign up and what was going on, but everyone there has been very helpful, and now every time I go into the YMCA, I have a conversation with the people at the front desk. I go up and talk to the custodian. I've really enjoyed getting to know the people around Wabash.
I think this is going to be something that I look back on and remember for the rest of my life, for sure.
I think I would like to live in Wabash after I graduate.
Awesome. Cool.